day 3, we're heading to Myrtle Waves, the water park here in Myrtle Beach. You already know, if you're brand new here, hit that subscribe button. We're rolling right into it. Let's go. So yeah, we're on our way right now to Myrtle Waves, which is the water park here in Myrtle Beach. I don't know, Lauren, expectations high or low?
I always prefer to have like low expectations. So that way, if it's like not what I hope, then I'm crushed. But I mean, I feel like it's gonna be fun.
I think, like, looking at the park map and like the eatery options and some of the different, like, I think it's gonna be a good time. But we'll just have to wait and see, you know?
I didn't even look at the food.
Yeah, no, I mean, I briefly looked a little bit ago about, you know, the food options and things like that. It looked like they had some good offerings, so I'm excited. It's about a 10-minute drive from our hotel, so not too far to go at all. And yeah, we're looking forward to a great day. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun.
There, it's King Kong.
Look! Wow! Wow! Oh, it's the Wax Museum!
I think they're closed.
Yeah, no, there's nobody out front. No, it says open!
It does?
Yeah, open, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Oh, I could have sworn.
Look at that! Wow, the detail. It's pretty cool, honestly. Wow. And look, you can order food online. That's cool.
You wanna look at the gift shop?
Do you want to? Yeah, we can look at the gift shop first. So we upgraded to the Flowrider as well. Lauren wanted to do the Flowrider, so yeah, that was $10 per person for all day, which is actually really good.
Isn't it on the ship? It's like $10 for one day.
Yes. Who do I look like? Off of iCarly. I think I've gotten that before. Here's Sharky's Snack Shack. Ooh, they got like Dippin' Dots, nachos. Yeah. Lauren has not been having good luck with ice cream at all this trip, that's for sure. All right, here's a park map for you. So if you want to pause the video and check it out, here's what they got going on. So we've got water slides up here. I mean, pretty much all the way around the park. Here is these big ones over here. And then we just saw the wave pool, huh? Oh, wow. Cute. And it's not too crowded today, actually. It doesn't look really crowded at all. So that's good. That's really good.
Here's a little cafe.
Yeah. Island Cafe.
It looks like it'll be air conditioned.
I think we're gonna try and find a locker. Get a locker to put our things in, and then oh yeah, here they are, perfect. Got the GoPro. So the locker rental was $10. $10 for all day. Yeah, that's not bad at all, actually. And it's actually like the same lockers as Busch Gardens, so we're very familiar with their setup and how they work and things.
Yeah.
So we've got
sunscreen.
And they had different sizes too.
They did. They had 3 sizes. This is the smallest. Fits like 1 bag.
Then they had a 2 bag and then a 3 bag one. Yeah. So, but we just have this 1 bag, so we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it work. Make it fit. All right, where are we going first?
I don't know if this is business size.
Okay.
It's it looks like a
like the little toilet bowl one. Yeah. On the breeze. Yeah, look, there's all of this over here. I'm telling you, and look, there's one over there. This place is actually pretty, like, expansive. The gate's shut right there. Aw, so this one's not running today, unfortunately. Bummer. 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 Oh, well. Which one do you want to do? One of these over here instead?
Already over here.
Yeah. There's like, what, 3 or 4 over here?
The turquoise or the purple first.
The turquoise or the purple? Okay.
And then we can do
All right. You know, my mom, Mama Hokum, she like hates enclosed slides.
They're like a little freaky, but I like them.
She like hates them.
There's one I remember in Busch Gardens. My brother like was scared about it. It was like aqua something, and it was all black, but it had lights in it. And they were really pretty lights. But it was kind of crazy.
Yeah, Mama Hokum like cannot stand enclosed slides. Oh my God, what was that? It's like a little break or something. Woo! You're going fast, girl. Wow! Alright, so that was that one. Now we're doing this one. How was that? That was so fun, right? It was so much fun. Really attentive staff too. It was so helpful. Alright, have fun. You got it. Good. It was simple but fun.
Yeah, I've never ridden one like that.
This is definitely, I think this would be a great family day activity.
And it's probably like older.
Yeah, yeah.
They have like a toddler area.
Yeah, they do have a toddler area, but definitely like if you have like, I think anybody 8, yeah, like 6, 7, 8 and up. I mean, even I see plenty of adults out here. I mean, ourselves included, but I mean like adults, you know? So I think you'd have a great time here. Myrtle Waves here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Get your man to carry the tube for you.
Shaking my way downtown.
I'm a little nervous.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! Oh my gosh!
What? This is fun!
You should go down backwards next time.
Oh my gosh! Woo! This is fun. Bump. That was fun. All right, go ahead, baby. That was, boy, we dropped over that ledge. I thought our life was over.
I went backwards. You have to go backwards.
Oh my gosh.
So fun.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! Okay, you get up first this time. Hey guys, we just got off Rockin' Ray.
Rockin' Ray.
Yes, and now we're headed to where you want to go.
I don't know. Where
You want to go back on the slides? We hadn't ridden all the color slides.
We haven't rode those over there either.
Oh yeah, we can go over there.
Yeah, let's go over there and ride those, and then we can start doubling back. Okay.
Flowrider now.
You want to do the Flowrider?
Yeah, my back needs a break.
All right.
Well, I don't know if that's gonna be the best.
Yeah, I'm about to say, I don't think you understand how the Flowrider works.
I've never ridden it before.
So this is gonna be your first time?
Yeah.
Ooh, girl, you are gonna have fun. You got it. There you go. Look at her go.
Don't let go. Oh God. Hello?
Woo! That was a lot of fun out there on the Flowrider. Lauren finally mastered
No,
it.
I barely hung on for you.
Nah, she's doing good, guys, and I think we're gonna go back a little bit later and check that out. But right now, we are gonna grab some lunch here. We checked out the lunch prices, and everything looks really, I mean, moderately priced, I think. Considering. Yeah, considering that we're at a water park. I mean, I would have expected, you know, things to be $15, $20, and most things were actually very reasonably priced. So we're gonna head and get some lunch and continue our wonderful day here at Myrtle Waves in South Carolina. Check out the Island Cafe today, and we're thinking we're actually gonna get this 6-piece chicken tender combo. It's $10.99 it says. That's what we're thinking of, right? Yeah. All right. Look at this. Yummy, yummy. So this is what we got. We got the chicken tendies, French fries, barbecue, ketchup, and a beautiful girl to have lunch with. So next up is the lazy river so that we can let our food sit, simmer, soak, digest, all of the above. This is noise. Guys, so fantastic news. This, whatever this one is called,
it's like the toilet bowl.
The toilet bowl one, that's been closed all day. It's now open. Yeah, we're pretty sure. There's people out there, and they told us a few minutes ago that they were testing it out. So we actually make it to ride this one today. Yay! You take it? All right, here we go. This is fun! Wow! Oh no, we're gonna get sucked in. We're going backwards. Oh! Wow! We're out of here. We're gone. From Myrtle Waves Water Park here in Myrtle Beach. Lauren, what do you think, baby? What did you think of today?
I would 10 out of 10 recommend.
It was honestly a 10 out of 10. Like, the park was clean, the rides were fun, the food was good. Yeah, even the ice cream was good. We ended up getting some cookie dough ice cream.
I have to admit, it was good.
It was good. It was like really good. I was pleasant. Honestly, the best ice cream we've had this weekend.
That is true.
And I was pleasantly surprised by it. And the pricing was pretty good too. Like, I think it was what was it, 35 a person? 35 a person, I think, for the day. Maybe even cheaper than that.
I think it was cheap. I think it was 35 for us because we got the Flowrider wristbands.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, the Flowrider was only $10 a person a day, and I mean, honestly, it was so much fun. It was, and I think that was well worth it. I mean, if you look at many other Flowriders, it's like 35. No, it's like $35 an hour. Oh yeah, usually, especially in the Caribbean, it's usually like $35 an hour. Now on some of the ships, it's included. Like Royal Caribbean is included, but like some of the islands, it's like $35 starting an hour. So I think it was very much worth it here for Myrtle Waves. So we're gonna say ciao to this for now. We're gonna head back to our hotel and have a nice relaxing evening. We're gonna make pizza and cookies and probably watch a movie, and it's gonna be a nice relaxing evening. So I don't know how much of it we're gonna film for you guys, probably just get some B-roll and stuff. So I do want to take this time and say, guys, if you have not already subscribed, you've not already hit that like button down below, make sure you take 2 seconds and go ahead and do that for me. And thanks so much for joining us today here at Myrtle Waves Water Park in South Carolina, day number 3 of our Myrtle Beach vacation.